Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're unboxing and giving our first impressions of the Puma Leadcat 2.0 sliders. I got these from Mintra for just Rs. 1,000, and I can't wait to see if they're as great as everyone says they are. Let's dive in. Alright, let's open this up. As you can see, the packaging is nice and secure. Here they are, the Puma Leadcat 2.0 sliders in size 8 UK. First off, these sliders look fantastic. The design is fresh and modern, perfect for taking your casual wear look to the next level. They're also very lightweight, which is a huge plus for summer footwear. Now, let's talk about comfort. I have to say, these slides are incredibly comfortable. The cushioning is just right, providing great support for your feet. Whether you're wearing them around the house or out and about, your feet will feel great all day long. I've been wearing these for a bit now, and I can honestly say I got exactly what I wanted. They're comfortable, stylish, and at Rs. 1,000, they're definitely worth the price. If you're planning to buy a new pair of slides, I highly recommend the Puma Leadcat 2.0. So, there you have it. My first impressions of the Puma Leadcat 2.0 sliders. Comfortable, lightweight, and great looking. These sliders are perfect for summer. Check out the link in the description if you want to grab a pair for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos. See you in the next one.